Hola. Buenas tardes. Señora, ¿dónde va?
Listen, in this crazy world of ups and downs, sometimes you just need a good break, man. You just need to relax, watch some beautiful women, watch a beautiful country, and just enjoy life. So let me give you a piece of that slice of heaven and a break away from it all. Hey man, I'm at the aquifer for the well. Hey man, the source. The aquifer is where the well gets its water from, right? So this area, surrounded area, I'm near Metro Center. I'm actually swiping, saw this shorty that I recognize. And I'm like, yo, wait a minute, I know this girl. Let me check a couple more pictures on this Tinder right here. Oh snap, I know her. The light-skinned shorty, glasses, looks very innocent. Some of you might know her. She ain't though. Anyhow, so yeah, man, I'm at the source checking it out. I'm about to grab something to eat real quick, grab some money out of the ATM, and then I'm gonna be hitting up a little spot that I love going to over here. You know, a little later on in the day, into the nighttime, it's gonna start popping. So I'm gonna give you guys a little example of that and some of the scenery that I saw while I'm out here. Yep, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab some food over here. Cakes everywhere. That's Fifi's. Fifi, are you with me? Are you riding? Are you down for me always? All right, let me grab some cakes, man. La Cajeros, La Caja. All right, basically, right here you got all the ATMs just grouped together right in the entrance to. Hey, you got like 4 or 5 entrances, but this is one of the main entrances. So everybody lined up, using the ATMs, doing deposits, taking out money, that kind of thing. Now on this side, you could pick up a lot of stuff. All right, so you got your ride shares, your taxi services, you got your moto concho, which is the motorbike taxi, you got your regular taxi, you name it, you got it right out here. Everything you need. No, you walk out the gates, you got more public travel transportation, right? You got what they call the guaguas, which is the small little mini buses. You got the public bus, which is right here on your left. And if you go across the street right here, you just cross over. You see that big, what is that, purple building directly across? No, to the right to the girl, to the right to the girl. Anyway, yeah, right there, you got your train station, your metro rail, right? So this is why this spot is like one of the best spots to come and chill. You got access to everything: food, gym, nice views, all the different types of transportation, the banks, the ATMs. All right. Anyway, let's go have some fun. Can anybody say copyright music? All right, one of the girls just came into work. That's the boss right there to the left. They now getting prepared. Trust me, I'm here real early, man. This is a good little spot called D. Ramone's. Nice people, good vibes. The neighborhood come out at night, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Really, really good spot for me, man. All right, so you already know we got to replace the copyright music, but don't forget, man, you made it this far. Be sure to grab an ebook. We got ebooks on financial freedom. If you want to work remotely so you could travel or just not have to go into that office as much and free yourself, man, I got an ebook on that now. Don't forget, if you just want to get a book on money, safety, and dating, I got a cheat sheet for that. Go check those out. The link is down below for everything that I've mentioned. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, man. But most importantly, share this video with all your friends and everybody that you know through your social media. That goes a long, long way. I also added a link to buy me a coffee. It all goes into going out and getting content that's great just like this for you guys. We're going to continue to do it. We're going to go all over the world. And hey, enjoy.